Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make adobo ranch sauce. Start by gathering smoked chilies, mayo, sour cream, buttermilk, garlic, lime, and spices. Prepare adobo paste by blending rehydrated peppers with garlic and vinegar for a balanced tang. Whisk the paste into a creamy base and adjust thickness with buttermilk for drizzling or dipping. Taste and tweak salt, lime, or heat, then chill briefly before serving to let flavors meld. Begin by rehydrating dried chilies in hot water until soft, typically 10 minutes, then drain well. Blend chilies with garlic, vinegar, and salt to make a smooth adobo paste with balanced heat. In a bowl, mix mayo, sour cream, and buttermilk into a creamy base, then whisk in the adobo paste until evenly combined. Adjust thickness with more buttermilk for drizzling or less for dipping, and season with lime and salt to taste. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tasty tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes at the counter without worrying about spills, and it's great for late-night cookbook browsing too. I've dropped a link in the description along with other deals if you want to check it out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Taste your sauce and balance flavors by adding lime juice for brightness or a pinch of sugar to tame excessive smokiness. For drizzling, thin with small amounts of buttermilk. For dipping, keep it thicker by reducing liquid. Freshly made adobo ranch keeps well in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 week. When ready to serve, stir and taste again, then enjoy on tacos, fries, salads, or sandwiches for a flavorful boost.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.